Okay, so here on this device I have pre-installed our application that we are going to demo today, that is TravelPartner. So this is the main page of our application, and first we'll see the use case, that is sign up. So I'll just click on sign up button right here, and let's just validate all the entries first. So if no fields are entered, it will say please enter all fields. So we'll check other validations. I'll enter the first name, my last name. So first I'll enter wrong email, and we'll see that it is validating email as well. So it says enter a valid email. It says password cannot be smaller than 8 characters. Once we have correct credentials entered, it will say registered successful and redirect us to a home page of our application, and even a sign up mail will be sent on our Gmail. Here it is from TravelPartner. We can see that we have got an email saying you have successfully signed up. Now on successful sign up, we get redirected to the home page where we see list of sorted places currently based on our location, if we have given permission. If not, the list will be empty at first. We have two options to get our search started. The first is manual text entry or voice. So let me just give a manual entry of, say, Denton, Texas. Oops. And hit go. So we can see the list of all the attractions or places near Denton, Texas. We'll see for the voice search. And hit go. So now we see all the places and attractions for Arlington, Texas. So we will go ahead and click on any of this. So let's just open Global Life Park in Arlington. So once we click it, we'll be redirected to the details page where we can see all the information, that is the address, the rating, whether the place is open or not, the real time weather at that location right now, and we'll see all the use cases one by one. So first let's go with the marking as favorite. So we click here on the top right corner, we see a empty heart shaped icon. We click on it to mark the place as favorite, and we click the same icon to unmark it as favorite. So now we can see the place is unmarked as favorite now, but we'll mark it as favorite as of now so that we see the place on our favorite list later on. So I have marked it as favorite. Now user may enter some notes, like they are writing a note for Global Life Park. So next game after lockdown, something like this, and add notes. It shows us a pop-up, let notes added successfully. We'll go back to our list and open, for example, AT&T Stadium now. We'll mark it as favorite as well so that we have entries on our favorite list. Let's say we now enter Richard Greene Linear Park and mark it as favorite as well. Now we have two more use cases, that is we share the location with our friends and family or get the directions on Gmail app. So we have the share app icon here on the top right corner, and once we click it, it will show us like we can share it via any external application that is installed on our mobile. Or here we can see the green open in maps button, which will help us to get directions to the place. So it opens directly on the Google Maps and we can just hit directions and get started. As for now, we'll jump back to our application and carry on with our demo. So we'll go back and see our favorite list. So as we recall it, we added 3 places onto our favorite list. So let's just hit favorite list right here, and we see 3 places that we added in the list. We can click on any one to get the same detail page as we had, and we remember that we added notes to global life park. So once we hit that, we even see the notes that we added onto our database. Now we have two more menu items top here that says about and logout. So first we'll see the about, which is nothing but the team members information and the application information that we have right here. And we'll log out now and see two more use cases remaining. So on logout, the user will be redirected to the main page of the application. And now let's just see the login use case. What if we enter the wrong password? We'll check that first. So we have the correct email over here, and let's just enter a wrong password and hit login. It will say email password does not match. Let's just enter the correct password and hit login. So it will redirect us to the main page of the home page of the application. And once the home page of the application is loaded, we can use as per our convenience. And we have one more use case to go, that is about the forget password. So let me just log out, and so whenever we don't have anything entered on the email and we hit forget password, it will tell us to enter the email that is registered. But let's just say we enter any random email which is not registered to our application and try to hit forget password. It will say the email is not registered. So we need to enter the email that we have already registered with our system. Once we have the correct email and we hit forget password, it will say like please check your inbox. So we'll have the correct credentials mailed to us. We can see that we already have the email from TravelPartner ready on our Gmail, which says forget password confirmation, and here we see that we have our password right here. So we can copy it, and later on, once we open back our application, now we know our password, so we can just enter it right here and successfully log into our application.